Hello everybody, I'm trying out the Black Cat helicopter from Costco's. Yeah, that's it right there. This is about the 5th time that I've tried it out, and so far it hasn't worked. And if it doesn't work this time, I'm taking it back. As you can see, I have the throttle all the way down, and still barely nothing is happening. That's with the throttle all the way down. So it definitely sucks. By the way, I just charged the battery for this, so it's not the battery. Here you can clearly see that the throttle is fully up and nothing's happening. So it lifts off the ground a little when I do this. But that's about it. So that's just an intro to another great Costco's product. The Black Cat helicopter.